How to set countdown timer on Instagram Reels. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to set countdown timer on Instagram Reels. So first is you have to make sure that your Instagram application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store, then just type in their Instagram. And if you'll see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see here, I don't have any update button, which means my Instagram application is updated. Now, if your application is updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So let's go back here to our home page and just click on Instagram application. Now, you are basically directed here to your home page or to your feed section. And then what you want to do is to actually create a real video. So when I say reel, on the upper part, you will see two icons there, a plus sign and the messenger icon. So you click on the plus sign there. Now here on the plus sign, basically you will see all the videos or everything in your gallery. Under it, you will see post, story, reel, and live. So you set it on reel. Now you are now set to create a video. Now if you try on clicking it, as you can see here, you have to click it to actually start the video. So to create a countdown timer for that for the Instagram reel, all you have to do is on the left side you will see the timer icon here. This one, and then you will see the countdown here. You can set it to 3 seconds, 10 seconds, and then set timer. Then if you click on that, the timer is already set. So basically, that is how you set countdown timer on Instagram Reels. That concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And please leave any questions you may have in the comment section. And have a great day.